What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen here with another episode. This recipe is perfect for you if you're going in your fridge sneaking a little bit of that cookie dough, and we all know we've done that a time or 10.
Dude, Mark, doesn't the raw consumption of cookie dough cause the risk of getting salmonella and other diseases, dude?
I got you, my dude. This recipe does not have any eggs, so it is safe for raw consumption. It's gonna be real nice right there. Here's what you need to get started making your homemade edible cookie dough.
To get you started, you're going to want to weigh out 227 grams of all-purpose flour. Put it in the oven because you cannot eat raw flour, dude. Then we're going to combine 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, and then beat that all together with a hand mixer. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, then add back in your flour. Mix that with the hand mixer until it starts coming together. Once it does, you're gonna add your favorite chocolate chips, as many as your little heart desires, dude. Then we're going to mix that until it's all combined and you get a silky smooth, delish, edible cookie dough.
You can literally eat a whole tub of this stuff and you don't gotta worry about getting sick. You may get a little stomach ache from eating about 1.5 cups of brown sugar, but worth the risk, man. Cheers. It melts in your mouth. Can't stop eating it, man. This recipe is literally the easiest recipe I have ever posted. Get in the kitchen, make yourself some homemade cookie dough, and you will not regret it. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you could do it in Mark's Kitchen, you could do it in your kitchen. Peace.